In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on a Google business profile. Ever wanted to shout out your favorite local businesses and let the world know just how incredible their services or products are? Well, your voice matters, and leaving a review on Google is one of the best ways to help these businesses grow and help others make informed decisions. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, head over to Google Maps. This might seem straightforward, but it's the gateway to finding the business you want to review. Once you're there, use the search bar to look up the exact name of the business. Having trouble finding the business? Make sure you've got the spelling right, or try adding the city or town's name to your search. After your search successfully brings up the business, look for the Write a Review button. It's usually located right there on the business's Google Maps profile, making it super easy for you to share your thoughts and experiences. Now let's get to the fun part, rating the business. Google lets you rate businesses on a scale from 1 to 5 stars, with 5 stars being the highest rating. Think about your overall experience, the quality of service or product you received, and how likely you are to recommend this business to a friend. Your honest and fair rating can significantly influence someone's decision to visit or skip this business. After choosing your star rating, it's time to express your thoughts through words in the review section. Be detailed, be honest, and be helpful. Include what you loved, what could have been better, and any tips for future customers. Remember, a valuable review goes beyond "it was great." It provides insights into your experience. Got some great photos or videos that highlight your experience? This is the perfect time to add them. Whether it's a snapshot of that delicious meal you had, the beautiful interior, or the product you purchased, adding visual elements can make your review stand out and provide a more comprehensive insight for others. Once you've added all your thoughts, ratings, and images, it's time to share your review with the world. Hit the post button to submit your review, and just like that, you've contributed valuable feedback that can help others and support the business. Finally, wrap up the process by clicking Done. Congratulations, you've successfully left a review on a Google business profile. Leaving a review not only feels good, but also holds power. It can shape businesses, guide fellow customers, and foster a community of trust and honesty online. So next time you have a remarkable or not so remarkable experience, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep your reviews coming, and let's help each other make informed decisions about where we spend our time and money. Thank you for joining me today, and happy reviewing.